Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll explain leader command in AutoCAD and all the options associated with leader command. To initiate leader tool, you can go to this button right next to dimension or go to annotate tab. Here you will find leader group. Let's see some of its examples. Select leader and specify leader arrowhead location. Make sure auto mode is off, then specify landing location. Now type the text you want to place here and click outside, but this is not visible. To modify its size, go to annotation and click this multi-leader style. Click on modify, then select leader structure, and from here change the scale. If you increase the scale, the size of leader will increase. Likewise, if you decrease this, the text size of leader will be reduced. Type the required size you want and click close. This is one method. You can also use annotative leader. Click here on multi-leader style and select annotative option. Now choose leader, click first point and second point. Then type the dimension or the text you want and press outside. Now to increase this text or figure, you can choose annotation scale. Select the size you want. If you cannot find this annotation scale here, go to this customization button and check on from here. Then it will be available on your screen bar. Again, choose leader. Now AutoCAD prompts you to specify leader arrowhead location, but in this case I want to write text, so text option, we will choose content type. This will display empty text box. Fill it the text and press close. Afterward, you can select the location where you wanted to place the text. Here it is showing only midpoint and end point. Don't click, go to end point and track the line. Choose the point where you want to paste this arrowhead, then right click, again choose the leader. Now it is showing mtext command. If you want to go back to arrowhead, then click leader arrowhead. So there are other options available. If you click here, you can control the leader type. You can add spline leader or non-leader. In this case, I will choose spline leader and select exit from this window. Click first point. As you can see, it is creating spline as leader. Type text and click outside. Again leader, click this option, then choose leader landing option. For this case, if you select no for no landing, it will give you straight line. This option cancels horizontal landing at the other edge of the arrowhead line. So click again leader, then option, select content type. From here, three options are available: block, mtext and none. We have already seen mtext. Let's look none option. This option will give you only a line with this arrowhead. No text will be displayed. Again leader option, content type, choose block, but before we need to have a block. For that, we create a block over here, 8 by 8 block size. Now in this case, scale will be the main problem, because in multi-leader all the drawing will be based on the current multi-leader scale. In case my block scale is 1 unit, then it will be multiplied by this scale factor of multi-leader. Then the result will be bigger than the required size. Therefore, we need to consider this scale factor while creating blocks. So if you want to create a block of 8 by 8 size, we need to divide by this scale factor. Now suppose you have a scale factor of 2, then 8 divided by scale factor, which is 2. In your case, for example, my scale factor is 1, so 8 divided by 1 scale factor, it is 8. So let's create a block. For this, we will use rectangle and circle inside. Choose 3-point circle. From here, we will add text so that when it asks text, we can easily type. For that, click here, define attribute, give tag, let's say 1. For prompt, type enter number, then default value is 1. Then we will take center alignment for the text height, take as it is, or you can decrease or increase as per your requirements. Then click at the center, arrange to fit the center. Now we will create a block out of it. Select create, give name, say M1 as your block name, then pick point, select this edge, then select the object and enter, and click OK. Type as 1 and press OK. Now we will create leader again. Select option, then content type, select block, enter block name M1. Now click exit option, click first point leader and second point, then type the number you want. Suppose I want it to be 2 and press OK. In this way a leader with a block is added. So if you add again leader, select option, click content type, block M1 was our block name and enter, then exit. Choose this, then type 3 and press OK. These blocks you can edit and replace the numbers easily. Let's see other options. Here you have max points. With this you can specify how much point you need for your leader. Select this option. Suppose I want 4 points as my leader. Type the number you want and press enter, then exit. Click first point and second point, third point and fourth point, then type the number. In this way this leader is created with 4 points. Select again leader option, then you can define the first angle. Click and exit. Suppose I want an angle of 30 degrees. Enter and exit. Give first point. As you can see here, it will give an angle of 30 degrees automatically. Then give the text. If you check the angle with the horizontal line, it is 30 degree angle. And if you want to collect some of the leaders, you can do that by using collect option. Select these two and enter, then take to new location. This option is useful with the blocks. It will collect the blocks in single leader. This was all about leader command in AutoCAD.